Our host dropped us back to the city and he showed us some major attractions of this place, like the old town and the new town and the saline factories and all of that. I'll show you around. We boarded the bus into Bershta's Garden, heading towards Ramsau by Bershta's Garden. Oh my god, the current is so crazy. We are kind of stuck in the situation. We reached the town at 8 p.m. There is no bus route to the Airbnb where we are staying. So either we have to book a cab or we have to walk just like 3 kilometers. We walked up. Finally, we are home after a really adventurous trek. Our legs are completely ruined. Stretching our legs. Where is the Oja board? Are feeling different.